Hello there, I'm Owain Wyn-Evans.
And I'm Llynos Lee. While pornography has been around for a long time, the internet has made it easily accessible from anywhere. Such easy access has increased use, and this comes with a number of risks.
In the UK, it's legal to access and buy pornography if you're over 18. The Digital Economies Act 2017 made it a requirement that online adult content providers age verify that the user is over 18.
But it's not illegal if you're under 18 and access it accidentally, say in a pop-up.
Some activities, though, are always illegal. For example, extreme and violent pornography or pornography involving animals.
Adults showing pornography to under 18s or allowing them to watch it is also illegal.
And it's illegal to possess or distribute sexual imagery of under 18s, even if they're over 16 and consent to it. That's child abuse imagery.
Young people have a right to know about sexual and health education, their bodies and relationships, and they might think that pornography can be a way of answering questions or finding out more about sex.
The reality is that pornography is out there, and it's viewed by many young people.
While some people, especially parents and carers, feel uncomfortable about it, research suggests that our young people want to talk about pornography without being judged.
They need and want to understand the diversity, complexities and realities of sex and relationships.
Here are 5 top tips to help you.
Make relationships part of everyday conversations.
Bring it into other conversations, say around privacy and online safety.
Keep calm and ask about the sorts of pornography that young people or friends might be accessing, listening to their answers.
Talk about body image and how unrealistic body image is an issue in photography and social media.
Explore the ethics of pornography and the wider business world.
For more information about pornography and the family, visit the Online Safety Zone on hwb.